Welcome back, fellow book enthusiasts, to the enchanting realm of literature. Today, we're delving into the captivating backstory of Shakespeare's sonnets, those exquisite gems that have graced the world of poetry. I'm your host from Litlearn Lounge, and it's a pleasure to have you here as we embark on this journey. Today, as we step into the world of literary brilliance, it's impossible to overlook the luminous star that has illuminated the realm of drama and poetry for centuries. William Shakespeare. A name that echoes through the corridors of literary history, a name that resonates with passion, wit, and the undeniable essence of the human experience. Born in the late 16th century, this playwright, poet, and actor left an indelible mark on the world of letters. His works not only captured the spirit of his time, but they continue to captivate hearts and minds to this very day. From the timeless tragedy of Romeo and Juliet, where young love defies the boundaries of feuding families, to the political intrigue of Macbeth, where ambition ignites a deadly spiral, Shakespeare's creations are a mirror to our own emotions and ambitions. Through his masterful use of language, his exploration of the human psyche, and his ability to touch upon the universal truths that connect us all, Shakespeare reminds us that the human experience is both complex and beautiful. So, whether you're a seasoned Shakespearean scholar or someone just beginning their literary journey, join us as we dive into the depths of Shakespeare's words and unravel the layers of meaning that lie within. Shakespeare's sonnets, now celebrated as jewels of the English language, had humble beginnings. Would you believe that they originated from a lowbrow Italian form, once sung in medieval Italian taverns during the Middle Ages? But the story doesn't end there. Enter Petrarch and Dante, visionary poets who transformed the sonnet into a vessel of love, composing eloquent verses dedicated to distant, idealized women. These verses became a model, igniting a poetic fire across Europe. The sonnet's journey continued, echoing through the centuries. Yet, it wasn't until the 1540s that English poets dared to craft their own sonnets. The late 16th century marked a turning point, when the sonnet experienced an explosive resurgence. The 1590s, a time of poetic frenzy, a sonnet craze that swept through England. Enter William Shakespeare, the bard himself, whose sonnets likely came to life during this fervent period. Though we can't pinpoint exactly when or why he penned them, by the late 1590s, they were already circulating. Imagine this. Sonnet 138, making its debut in a pirated book of Shakespearean poems called The Passionate Pilgrim, published in 1599. A testament to the allure of Shakespeare's words, even in unauthorized publications. From Sonnet 127 onward, a dark lady emerged as the focus of the speaker's desire. Passion intertwined with disgust, as the speaker grappled with his longing for a woman he deemed unattractive. These sonnets, characterized by their complexity, mirror the tumultuous relationships of the time. While Shakespeare's sonnets were penned amidst a sonnet renaissance, they remained hidden until 1609, published in their entirety. However, their popularity waned in the years that followed, with the 1609 quarto edition resurfacing in its original order only in 1780. Now, let's step into history. Shakespeare penned these sonnets during Queen Elizabeth's reign, a period of stability and literary flourishing. The defeat of the Spanish Armada solidified England's independence. In the royal court, poetry became a tool of adoration for Queen Elizabeth. Courtiers penned heartfelt verses, while poets like Spenser found their livelihood in composing for the Queen. These years marked a golden era of English literature. Shakespeare, though not of the court, drew inspiration from this literary vibrancy. His masterful work was shaped by the likes of Spenser and Sir Philip Sidney, who used poetry to ascend in Elizabethan society. And there you have it, a glimpse into the origins of Shakespeare's sonnets and the historical tapestry that wove them into existence. Remember, these crowning poems may have slumbered for over a century, but their legacy now shines brilliantly. Stay tuned, dear friends, for more fascinating literary explorations right here at Litlearn Lounge. Don't miss out on unraveling the secrets and stories behind the world's most treasured literature. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your love for literature burning bright.